name is Anna Anttila. I'm half Finnish, half Russian myself, but I studied in Denmark. What's unique about the journey is all the different perspectives that we're getting, both from our other participants, which is an incredibly diverse bunch, as well as the perspective of global and local at the same time. Because we're learning about a global challenge and we're getting global perspective from all the participants, but at the same time we're focusing currently on the Portuguese industry and the Portuguese companies that we're visiting, so we're getting like a very down-to-earth perspective, which is interesting. It's also really cool to be able to hear from others and like absorb a lot of knowledge from around and get to create something together and kind of use our own skills to co-create something. So that's, I think, what the most important thing about the journey is all the different perspectives and all the opportunities we get to create something together.